Hello, Bee Breadwinner family. Welcome back to another video with Risk versus Reward series. My name is Jenny Hansen-Lee. I'm a digital marketer that is pursuing my journey, documenting my journey online of creating skill sets that can be monetized. In this video, we're talking about Medium writing, and you guys already know risk versus reward. What are the income streams that have low risk, high reward? What are the income streams that are high risk, high reward? This is a video series of the ones that I've been pursuing. And as you guys know, Medium is a platform for bloggers and writers. And I started, and you have to get 100 followers to get monetized. I'm at 94 at the time of this recording, and I'm not monetized yet. Why is this in a risk and reward? Because I think a lot of times we want to see someone's results without putting in the work ourselves. So I have friends that have told me about Medium, and they're doing great on it, and I was inspired by them. But I have to build up my own, umpity momentum, right? Umpity. I don't even know if that's a word, but I need to work harder on this. And I don't want to make another video. I'm not going to make another video about Medium until I've made a penny from them, okay? So this is my kick in the pants that I'm giving myself to get going, to get monetized, and to write more. Here's the rewards for writing on Medium. I already know this, even though I'm not putting in the time and I'm being a lazy butt. Get better at writing. That's my ultimate goal. It'd be nice to get paid, but I want to get better at writing because I want to write my next book and I need a little bit of momentum. The last time I wrote my book, I didn't have a YouTube channel and I just had courses and smaller community, and things are growing. So I need to make time for it. I love Medium because of the connections that I'm making. And I like this because there is no cap on income. The more you write, the better the writing is. You get paid for that. And that's a beautiful thing. The risks for writing on Medium. I haven't made any money yet. The time investment, because I'm not risking my time. I need to risk. It's kind of interesting when we talk about income streams that sometimes we have to risk things to get rewards. Okay, the brain power for creativity. I have to put in the time to do it. This is all I have for you guys. I'm following other people on Medium that have YouTube channels, and I just need to do more. I need to do more. How embarrassing that I'm just telling you about building passive income streams, and this one is not. It just shows you where you spend your time is where the bounty comes from. Love you guys. Peace out.